midhiero machalad mokwongo midhiero ne mano momako Tuju.
Wani 2026. Wani 2026, but instead of focusing on issues mag development, issues of importance to the livelihood the common mwananchi, we are still talking about abductions. Yeah, and this is my country. Me watching what wabedo compared to Singapore. Singapore, when you look into their history, kakane gitimo gikmoko, these things were not there. You know, apart from just the issue of corruption, these things, there was the rule of law. So if you don't respect the rule of law, that makangato or the against what you wanted, makangato complain, no rights nebedo infringed in a certain way, nititi monadi, or only 1, 2, 3 people to mondo or keep it quiet, and if you cannot keep quiet, they go the abduction way. And we see one kajinzi okwa buakni loso warango history to history, it is all over. You understand? It is all over. We know who the father of abduction in the country has been. Yeah. So you cannot tell me that they don't know where Tuju is. They know where Tuju is, alive or dead. What you just, I don't know why we are still begging them. You know. No, you know why you are a journalist. Just look at the history. You just look at the history. I don't want to mention name. Yeah, I don't want to mention names. So but we know. Yeah, even the person in Ngamaranga TV saying the father of abduction and ngano. Yeah. So we, just like Billionaire said, yeah, we are still praising them and talking about broad-based government. We are together in all these kind of things. But to look at it, even Raila Amolo Odinga, despite having so many enemies, but when it comes to rule of law and keeping, making just things run the right way, he will not have allowed such things to happen. Angeshaita press conference and all those things that are happening in Luo Nyanza right now, that you are dancing to the kind of development as if we don't know what the government is supposed to be doing to us. We are, you know. It's very bad. In 2026, you're not supposed to be talking about abduction. Yeah? And I don't know whether it's a way of instilling fear, but you're saying us, you're not going to be afraid, because the kind of nation that we want, we don't have another Kenya. This is the Kenya that we want, and we want the right leadership. Yeah? We want the right leadership, and we're not going to be afraid. We're going to call them out. We are going to demand for Kenya ma, everybody is safe. Where there is democracy, then what is democracy? Yeah, I can disagree with you, but you can still be friends. And that is why you could see Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga alitengeneza made a legacy with ODM party, because even people would go against him, but he will still come and, you know, come together when developments and such kind of things were happening. So we are saying it is 2026 and abduction, surely. Kenya is a country, and we boast of being a democratic country in the whole of Africa. What are we boasting for? No, it is embarrassing.
Iwacho ne gin weche moko ma kelo wich kuot ahinya.